Hey guys, it's Ziya. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys another unboxing from Sips By. I'm covering my address on here. Sips By is a subscription service that will send you personalized teas every month. I believe it's $15 per box. It's really simple. You go on there, you take a quiz, you tell them what kind of teas you like, what you don't like, whether you like high caffeine or no caffeine, what kind of flavors you prefer, if you want loose leaf or if you want tea bags, all of that stuff. It's really cool, and I am a big fan of tea. That's why I agreed to work with them. They're not sponsoring this video, but they did send me the box. Oh, also, if you use my code that's on the screen, you can save, I believe it's $5 off of your first box. So instead of paying $15 for all this tea, you're gonna spend $10 for all the tea. I think that's a good deal. So you open the box, and the first thing you get when you open it is this little paper thingy right here, and they're all actually personalized. Like this says made for Ziya. Huh? How cool is that? So they send 4 different types of tea. I'm not going to read this at the moment because I want to be surprised. Ooh. And I really liked everything that I got in my last box. I have been drinking all of those. Alright, so the first one that we have here is called Zest Tea. It's a high caffeine tea, which is great because I am trying to cut back on coffee, because for my coffee I always feel like I need to add a bunch of creamer and sugar and everything because I can't drink black coffee. But with tea, I can drink tea on its own because it's not as bitter and strong as coffee is, of course. So this is going to be really fun to drink, I think. Oh, pomegranate mojito. What? That's really cool. And they also sent tea bags. Zest tea, pomegranate mojito, loose leaf tea. That's what it looks like. Really cute. Let's see what it says about the pomegranate mojito. Wow, coffee level caffeine. That's going to be very useful. Zest tea contains about 150 milligrams caffeine per cup, about the same as coffee. It helps you focus throughout the day without the jitters or crash. Oh! I never noticed this before, but if you go to Zest Tea and you want to buy something from them, you can use the code SIPZEST25 to get 25% off their tea. So each one of these actually has a coupon code that you can use to save money off of a tea that you really like. If you want to go buy that, that's really cool. I did not know that. I didn't notice that the last time I did this, but really cool. So this is the May box. I wanted to clarify that. I didn't read this last time either. Okay. April showers bring May flowers, Ziya. Rather than giving flowers this year though, we've included a special offer so you can gift mom the joy of tea discovery. Use the included card for a ready to give gift. So the gift card in here. Oh, there's 2 cards. How many cards are in here? Okay. 2 gift cards. One is a $50 gift card to brightsellers.com. They sell wine. That's really cool. I don't drink wine, so I'm going to give that to a friend. And gift the joy of tea discovery, $10 tea cash. I have people I can give that to, so I will. And, alright, so moving on from the Zest tea, I'm going to go on to another one. This looks pretty cool. Nepal tea, organic tea from the Himalayas. Nepali breakfast tea. That's really cool. This is also high caffeine. Start the day the Nepalese way. Nepalese. Yeah, the Nepalese. I've never had to say that. Anyway, start the journey the Nepalese way with this unique organic masala chia, or chaya? I don't know, man. Featuring a delicious homemade masala chai mix. Yeah, this is also a loose leaf tea. Really cool. I'm definitely going to be using this because, you guys, I am Fijian Indian, so I drink chai all the time. My family calls it cha. I don't know what the difference is between calling something chai and cha. The next tea that I have here is this lemon ginger tea from Ahmad Tea London. Very pretty. The packaging itself is so cute. So, This is caffeine free. I love lemon ginger tea. Any ginger tea is really good. There's this peach ginger tea from Republic of Tea that I am a huge fan of. I still have some of it. I take care of that stuff so much. Like, I am so careful with it. I will drink 3 cups of tea from 1 tea bag. Anyway, caffeine free. Ahmed Tea is a British family business with a long tradition. They supply tea for the royal collection, including Buckingham Palace. What? These people supply Buckingham Palace with tea? That's incredible. And I have 4 of these tea bags. I think I'm actually gonna go like make some of this right now. Oh, it kind of goes in my shirt. Anyway, moving on to the last tea. This is cacao tea? What? Cacao tea from Mi Cacao. Okay. Natives of tropical regions in Central and South America have been drinking cacao tea for centuries. Light with a hint of chocolate. Oh! Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. This is really cool. It's from Ecuador. It's ethically sourced. Obviously gluten-free. Is there any tea that isn't gluten-free? I don't think there is. If there is, I've been wrong for a very long time. Cool. This is also a loose leaf tea. So their tea bags are gonna come in very handy. I actually already have my own tea bags that I bought because Ernie has his kind of tea that he likes. It's also loose leaf tea. He likes really hard, bitter teas. I don't like that. I like the light stuff that's sweet. Feels like dessert, but it's not. But there's a hint of chocolate. Ingredients: cacao shells and cacao nibs. Is it cocoa? No, cocoa is COA. This is cacao. That's so weird. Isn't it weird? I don't know. I'm gonna stop. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. If you want to check out ZiyaScholz, they will be linked in the description box down below. Don't forget to follow all of my social media, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.